I actually just got my package that I ordered from FridayParts. Already opened it up. There is a ton of oil filters in here. T19044. So we are going to drain the oil and then pull this little plug and drain it out of the oil filter housing. And then we'll swap the filter, put some fresh oil in. It should be good to go. Ready to plow the fields. Alright, so I'm close to the top. What I'm going to do now is hop in, turn the tractor on, let it run a little bit, and siphon some of this oil around, and then I'll top it off. Alright, that looks good.